Producer Portal. Offer all of your products and promotions to buyers from all over the world. Create products. It's very easy. Go to the menu and select Product Catalog. Then click on the upper right button, New Product. Enter the name of the category, attach a picture, and then complete all of the fields like product description, price, and minimum order, among others. It is that easy to create products. Attract attention. With FromOzz, you can create special promotions. You simply go to the menu, select Promotions, and start creating them. You only need to fill out the fields with the necessary information, for example, form of payment, duration of the promotion, among others, and once submitted, a notification will arrive to all the buyers with this news. Negotiating is very easy. In the menu Orders, you can review the negotiations received. Inside each one, you can find all the details about the products negotiated, their quantity, price, and some more details. With this, you can start negotiating. You will always be connected. With the FromOzz chat, you can always have group or individual conversations with your team, your admin, and with the network of buyers and business partners. This way, you can communicate more effectively to export more. Simply click on the icon in the upper right menu. You are ready to communicate.